To encode new Grade 7 Education Service Contracting Grantees in bulk, click Bulk Encoding of Grade 7 ESC Grantees. To encode several new Grade 7 ESC grantees at once, download the CSV template and the document, How to Use the CSV Template file. Read the How to Use the CSV Template file to learn how to encode the ESC grantee details in the CSV file. Open the template using Microsoft Excel and follow the format when encoding the data. Save the file in CSV format after encoding all grantee details. To upload the CSV file, click Choose File. Then select the CSV file. Click Submit. After the system has validated the CSV file submitted, the names of each grantee will be displayed. If the data is incorrect, the grantee name will turn red with specific remarks indicated. You will only be allowed to continue with the bulk encoding when the data in the CSV file has been corrected. Click Cancel, then correct the data in the CSV file. Upload the corrected CSV file. If the data are correct, each grantee name will turn green and have the remarks ready. Then you will be allowed to submit. Click Submit. When the bulk encoding of new Grade 7 ESC Grantees feature is used. It will override existing entries prior to bulk encoding. It is advisable to do bulk encoding first before the per grantee encoding. The learner reference number of the bulk encoding grantees should be validated by the system. Otherwise, the grantees will not be included in a billing statement. Once the ESC grantees are billed, bulk encoding of Grade 7 ESC grantees feature will be disabled. If the school deletes all existing billing statements, the bulk encoding of Grade 7 ESC grantees feature will be enabled.